accepting a default. Line 11 is where it gets a bit more interesting. We set up the scaffolding plugin for Forge, which is what allows us to do the scaffolding from entities. We also want to have rich faces running, so we add rich faces to the project, rich faces set up. And line 20 is really where the magic happens, which is where we say scaffold from a set of entities, pass in the package in which the entities are, and off it goes, and then it does all the work. And then this bottom 20 or 15 or so lines is simply about, do you want to deploy the application? On line 33, we can see the result of that. For example, we run the Maven command clean package JBoss AS deploy. So hopefully that's now, yep, that's currently building the web app and deploying the web app. So that will have generated out a load of CRUD schemes that allow us to go in and do things like create new events or create new venues. The CRUD generation in Forge is fairly comprehensive. It can handle relationships, one-to-many, many-to-many relationships. It embeds the right thing, handles one-to-one relationships, and so on. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so I'll just bring this up again. And now, okay. So, for example, if we wanted to view the venues in the system, you know, we've got the venue system here. This has all been built out for us when we ran the scaffold. There's obviously some things that we need to fix, like, you know, this system of just printing out the URL where we get the images from isn't particularly nice. Maybe we want to actually change that and actually display the image that's going to be displayed to the user. But of course we can do things like click through onto it. Here we can see how it handles relationships. So sections is I think is a one-to-many relationship on venue, and so it's generated out a subtable with all the information needed in it.